Alright guys, 2015 BMW i8, the hybrid inline 3. We're doing a muffler delete and putting a, it's not technically a quad, it's, here's the underside. It's like a Matchbox car. And then there's the muffler right there, has a flex pipe there. Cat is shoved up there. But we're gonna take this muffler off, get rid of it, straight pipe it, and then put the tip out in the middle right here. He's already cut out the some of the bumper and stuff, so we have space to fit it, but we're gonna put it right here out the back. That tip, the middle out the back right there. So, and then we'll let you guys hear when we get done. You guys like, comment, and subscribe. We are finished. 2015 BMW i8. It's the hybrid with the inline 3. Again, Matchbox car, and that's what I call it. Muffler off, took the muffler off there. Flex pipe, cat. A lot more space under here now. I can see everything, that's nice. Yeah, there's your cat, flex pipe, the muffler delay right there. We did it all on 3-inch, and then we did the triple tip out the back right there. And a nice clean look. Blue flame tips too, they're Natami tips. So, shout out to them. Yeah, there you guys go. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right guys, this is startup. Like I said, it's hybrid, so I don't know. Definitely hear it when he leaves, but I don't know if we'll hear it on startup and revs. Yeah, a little bit. That's clean. Oh yeah. The sound doesn't. There was no point of showing them before. 97 is what it peaks at. A nice clean sound. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Back seats too, it's clean. Doors open. That's clean. There you guys go. Something unique, we haven't done a lot. Let you guys hear it and then drive off. It's a sick car, man. Definitely looks like a spaceship. 2015 BMW i8 hybrid, the inline 3. Turbo. Did a muffler delete and triple tips.